guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. If you're interested or you'd like to participate, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today I have a box. This is from Zomo Garden on Etsy. And yeah, it's part of that birthday order. I think I have an idea of what I ordered from here, but I could be wrong. So we'll find out together. And yeah, I'm cutting her open as we speak. I'm telling you, sometimes tape is just too much for me. No. Alright. So I have my invoice. And we got a bunch of packing peanuts. So we're gonna make a mess. Woohoo! Maybe. Maybe not. I feel like I should be getting really good at taking things out of boxes and not making messes, but who knows? Okay, so we're like this. I'll lean back. Oh, we got more packing peanuts in there. Okay, so this is what I ordered. It's a Tradescantia. It's the white and green form. I think the official name is Tradescantia fluminensis, green-white variegated. So I have like a little piece of this, and I originally put all my Tradescantia in one pot, and some of them did well, some others. Basically, the baby bunny belly Tradescantia kind of like took over the pot. So I'm trying to get my other Tradescantias back and make separate pots for them. But it's in a 2-inch pot. It is just in some soil. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic wrap because it will make a mess. But Tradescantias are really easy to chop and propagate. So I'm probably going to take a couple cuttings from here, propagate it, and make this like a nice full 4-inch pot. So yeah, what do you guys think about this purchase? Do you guys have this Tradescantia? Is it like readily available near you? I cannot find any Tradescantia near me, not even like the Zabrina, which I thought was super common, but it's not. And yeah, all we have in our local areas are pothos. We have a bunch of spider plants, and then we'll get the trending tropicals like here and there. But like, what happened to all the other big hanging plants that we used to get, you know? Anyway, this is the Tradescantia that I bought. Let me know what your thoughts are. And until next time, relax, plant, peace out.